Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to build healthy habits easily because we all know that forming new healthy habits can be hard work, but it doesn't have to be. So using the two tips that I give you in this video, you can actually build new healthy habits that last a lifetime. So let's get started. Tip number one is we're going to break it down. Yes, we're going to make the habit super easy that our body and our mind create less resistance. It also becomes much easier and less sense of overwhelming. So let's take, for example, reading a book. If our goal for 2023 was to read 12 books, then of course that's one book a month. After about 2 weeks, if you've not got started, not really got into it, then it can feel that you're on the back foot and you're not going to achieve this. However, if you set yourself the target of reading a page a day or a chapter a week, then it's a much smaller amount. Yet, if you get to the example of reading a page a day, that's still 365 pages a year. If you say a chapter a week, depends how many chapters your book has, but that could be in 10 weeks you finish a book. Okay, so when you set yourself a smaller target that you can achieve, then it's actually much easier to do as part of your day and, of course, fit in because, say, reading a page is 5 minutes, where reading a book is several hours. So if we switch that onto another healthy habit, so our food and what we eat, then if we try and go, okay, I want to eat healthier, if you try and change everything at once, it always seems like you're failing. And that's why diets work so well, because we have this strict guideline to follow. Yet the problem with diets is they are restricted and they have nothing to follow afterwards. So you end up stuck on them, or you have this rebound effect afterwards. Yet if you want to change your eating, if you take on the fact, let's make it super easy and break it down. If you change, say, your breakfast every single day for a week, or focus on your carbohydrates for this week, then it becomes much, much easier. Point number two, so our tip number two is we're going to tag it to something else. So as you can see, there's so many healthy habits that you can do that it can feel overwhelming to do more than one at once. And that's why a lot of people fail, because they try and do too much at once. Yet we already have certain habits in our day, that certain things that we always do. So we always clean our teeth in the morning and evening. We always wash our hair certain times a week. We have certain things that we do. If we tag on a new habit onto that thing that we already do, then it becomes part of it rather than seeming like we're trying to squeeze something else into our day. So if we take the practice of gratitude, so this is shown to boost our happiness as well as our health. But if, say, for example, we're cleaning our teeth before bed, taking the time to, in your mind, go, I'm thankful for, I have a toothbrush. I'm thankful for the fact I can clean my teeth. I have good mouth health, whatever it is. Okay, it could be related to what you're doing. It could be something else. It could be just thankful for the fact you have socks on your feet. Okay, you don't have to suddenly create this amazing thing to be thankful for to express gratitude. So it's just like, for example, your food. You already eat and you already plan your meal. So if you are sitting down with your coffee in the morning, maybe take the time then to plan your meals, maybe for the rest of the day or the next day. So you can already tag it to something else. So guys, hopefully you've enjoyed those two tips and you can enjoy putting those into your life. Do let me know how you feel in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.